Do you have anything to celebrate, like a wedding or a birthday? There's no better way to celebrate than popping a champagne bottle with a saber. Hi, I'm Leon from Nice Tools, and today I'll be teaching Aurélie how to open a bottle of champagne with a saber.
Whew. Can't wait to get started.
Perfect. You got your cold bottle of champagne, right?
Absolutely, and nobody likes drinking warm champagne. I've got one that's just ready now, so...
Perfect. So it's very important that it's cold. You can leave it in the fridge overnight or put it upside down in an ice bucket for an hour or so.
I've got my cold bottle. What's next?
Perfect. We can start by removing the foil.
What about the wiring cage here?
Okay, so first you need to dry the bottle. Then you can unscrew the wire cage. Put the wire cage over the lip and secure it again. Because you need to make sure the saber hits the glass and not the wire from the cage.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Alright, now you're looking for the welding line.
This one here.
Exactly. So are you right-handed or left-handed?
Right-handed.
Okay, then you take the bottle in your left hand and put your thumb in the hollow bit at the end of the bottle. And point the bottle up at a 30 to 40 degree angle.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. I think you're ready for the next step. The saber.
Thank you.
That's for you. Okay, now you can carefully practice the movement a couple of times and make sure to follow the welding line on the bottle.
And so the saber has to always be in contact with the glass.
Correct, yes.
Okay.
So, and when you're ready, make sure to complete the movement. Don't stop at the tip.
Okay.
And make sure to never point at any people, animals, flat screen TVs or expensive camera equipment. Yes, perfect. Are you ready to do this?
Let's do this.
All right, let's go. Hey!
It worked!
You did it.
That was so cool. Can we now drink it, or could there be any glass in the bottle?
No worries, there's enough pressure in the bottle. There won't be any glass in the champagne itself. It's completely safe.
Great.
Shall I take this from you?
Sure.
Because now it's time to celebrate. For more information about sabering, check out the link in the description below. Like, subscribe. We got more great videos coming up.
Santé!
Santé. You did great, by the way.
That's amazing.